Hi Pisces people, welcome to Terrific Astro. This is me Pooja Lekha. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. For personal and paid consultations, you have to mail me and message me at my Insta account also with the same name Terrific Astro. So let's start with your read, Pisces. Okay, relationship, your career and finances, and your spirituality and the overall energy. So this is the read for you Pisces people. So let's see. Relationship guidance. This is for your relationship. Three of Swords. Lots of disappointment you are facing. Lots of arguments. No one is settling at one point. This makes you really very upset with your relationship and you want to just move out from this, but I don't think that should be, because trying, at least you need to put some effort to make to bring some harmony in your relationship. At least try to understand the perspective of your partner. Just calm down your mind and think of your spouse. uh, Sometimes words, there are so much beyond the words, and just try to understand the feelings of your partner, of your spouse. Maybe that will help to bring harmony, little harmony in your relationship. I know ki you are very exhausted with all the disagreements, with the arguments, but just change your perspective a bit and try to think other side of the coin. Give a single thought to the feelings of your partner. Maybe it will help in your relationship, and it will bring harmony in your relationship. At your working front, you are maintaining so much balance, trying to be, you are trying to maintain your patience, because you know this is the ultimate crisis time, and patience is the only key to success this time. So you are trying to maintain patience, your balance in this time with your co-workers. You are in you are if you are in business, then you are maintain uh, balance with your employees. You are trying to uh, obviously you're trying to give them some help. You are offering some help. You are being aware of this situation. You are doing your best to carry with your career at its best, and that is a very good part. Time really need this thing to do. And this is for the spirituality. You are feeling so much backstab. Maybe these two cards so much resonate with each other. You are so disappointed with this. You are feeling being betrayed, but this is the end of your problems. See, night is there, and after night there is a morning. So there is a sun, there is when, so spend some time. Maybe your mind is absolutely filled with so many negative thoughts. You are very upset because, and calm your mind. Channelize your energy. Instead of putting all your energies in this, just need to divert your energies and start practice some yoga, pranayama, maybe meditation. Maybe start yeah, you will get so much beautiful videos which will uplift your energies on YouTube definitely. And to empower yourself, try those activities that will really calm your mind, that will help to come out of all the negativity, anxiety of your mind. It will help you, but you have to put some efforts over it. But every night has a day, every tunnel has a light. So your time will soon come to an end, and you will definitely see something good is happening around you. Overall energy is feeling again very upset. You don't want to see what are the good opportunities coming at your door. You are busy. Your mind is absolutely busy somewhere, and you have no time to look if something new is coming. God, the universe is offering you something good, and you don't want to look at it. So in thinking how to uh, about your career, about your relationship, so many things this time which occupied your mind. But be aware, be conscious at the moment. So many good things are happening around you which you don't want to look at it. Try to be in the present situation and see the good things around you. Okay, so in the month of June, try to be more aware in the present situation so you can see the good things around you. Maybe some new offer will come to you, maybe your partner will do something, maybe a very little for you, maybe you don't want, you just ignore that thing, but try to be more aware so you can see the little things around you which is happening in the month of June that may require a lot of appreciation and applaud from you, right? So this is for Pisces. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.